If you use ElevenLabs and suddenly see the message unusual activity detected, it can feel confusing and a little scary. You're just trying to generate a voice and suddenly the platform blocks you. But don't worry, this usually isn't a serious problem. Most of the time it's just a security check. So let's go through a few quick things that usually fix it. The first thing to check is your VPN. If you're using a VPN, ElevenLabs might think your account is logging in from different locations. That can trigger the warning. Try turning the VPN off, refresh the page, and log in again. A lot of people fix the problem right there. Another thing that can cause it is generating too many clips too quickly. For example, if you're creating lots of voice clips back to back, the system sometimes flags it as unusual activity. In that case, just pause for a few minutes and try again. Next, check if you're logged in on multiple devices or browsers. If your account is open in several tabs, laptops, or browsers at the same time, it can sometimes confuse the system. Logging out everywhere and signing back in usually clears that up. Sometimes it's even simpler than that. Browser issues can trigger it too. Clearing your browser cache or opening ElevenLabs in another browser like Chrome or Edge can fix it quickly. So here's the quick checklist. Turn off your VPN. Wait a few minutes before generating again. Log out of other devices or tabs. Clear your browser cache. In most cases, one of these solves it. And if it still doesn't work, you can contact ElevenLabs support and they'll check your account. So if you see unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs, don't panic. It usually just means the system is being cautious. Not that your account is in trouble. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.